Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Prevost Millennium 5-star luxury motorhome. A masterpiece on wheels that redefines what luxury on the road really means. From the moment you step inside, it's clear this isn't your typical RV. The interior greets you with custom Italian leather seating, real wood cabinetry, and ambient LED lighting that runs seamlessly throughout the coach. Every detail is hand-finished, from the polished marble floors to the hand-stitched upholstery. The living area offers a full smart home experience, complete with voice-activated lighting, climate control, and a retractable 65-inch OLED TV. Built-in surround sound system turns movie nights into a cinematic escape. And yes, there's a fireplace. The kitchen is nothing short of gourmet. You'll find quartz countertops, a full-size Sub-Zero refrigerator, a convection oven, and an induction cooktop. It even includes a dishwasher and built-in espresso machine. Because why not? Move toward the rear and you enter the master suite. A king-size memory foam bed, full-length closets with cedar lining, and a private entertainment system make this space feel more like a luxury hotel room than a vehicle. And the bathroom? It's spa quality. Heated floors, a rainfall shower, backlit mirrors, and real stone finishes throughout. Underneath the luxury, this Prevost is built on the Volvo-based X345 chassis with a 500-plus horsepower engine, air suspension, and active leveling, making the ride as smooth as the interiors. With a price tag pushing $2 million, it's not for everyone. But for those who want the ultimate in road luxury, the 2025 Prevost Millennium delivers unmatched elegance and innovation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most powerful machine. Only here on Engine Explorer.